It's still coming down. This is the third snowfall of about this size in the last 2 weeks. Hey, Rexy girl. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You can only go on that one little trail. Ah, there you are. I was checking out our snow fort we built last week. Okay, I'm gonna fall back. Oh, oh, I got snow down my neck. I'm gonna have a hard time getting up. I'm really comfortable. I don't feel like shoveling any snow. You gonna pull me up? Yeah, dig me out. Dig me out. Dig me out too on that side. Come on.
Oh, just dig you out?
Yeah, good girl. Dig me out.
There you go.
Come on, Roxy, dig me out. Good girl. Good girl, dig me out. Yeah, let's go. Okay, that's motivating. I put my hands down, they just keep going down for support. Oh my God.
Grab my hand.
Oh.
Dad, let's
Wow. Snowball! Oh, I missed. Oh yeah, we're on the same team, totally. So this is where we haven't plowed, clearly. You can see my car over there. Well, you can barely see it. We had a Kubota tractor over there underneath like a tent, and the whole entire tent has collapsed onto the tractor now with all the weight of all the snow. It's getting there. A few more passes and it'll get faster. And I'm gonna get a slide in too before I go. Just want to show the viewers the behind way into our secret fort. So you gotta go behind this secret passage and you need to know the password. We already know it, so it's open for us. And then you can come up here. What's up? You're on top. All right, here we go. Let's go. This is our slide.
I'll give you a push.
It's 2.0. Okay, wait, ready? Steady. Okay, catch me, Roxy. Coming into you, Roxy! I'm plowing it for you on the way down. There we go. Now you try. It's getting faster. All right, so I took that Terex, cleaned herself a little pathway here all the way to the backyard there. So I got a little walkways done, shoveled the stairs, pathways, and now we got the Gehl out here. We're gonna start doing the driveway. Okay, the most important thing is that our bell is still functional. So there we go. How about a drone montage coming now? and yeah, the driveway's all good. There's tons of snow here. Have not seen this kind of snowfall in many years. In the last, like I said, 2 weeks, we've had 3 very big snowfalls and a few small ones in between, like several feet of snow in the last couple of weeks. It's crazy. We're running out of room to place it. Anyway, as I was about to try and film this with you guys, the battery died, so went and got a new battery, and let's see if we can finish pushing this all the way to the back there, and we're done. Little note here, as I was saying, with the Gehl track skid steer. Obviously tracks, I know they're not ideal for snow plowing. Probably gonna get a lot of people saying, hey, use whatever, certain tires, but again, anyways, this is just for a driveway cleanup, so it's not like a commercial use. Obviously, if that was the case, we'd be using a different setup, but just interesting to see how it handles comparatively to the 65 Kubota wheel loader, which again doesn't even have proper snow tires. And honestly, there's not a huge difference. This one probably, I would say, spins a little easier and makes ice a little easier, but when it can grab traction, I feel like it does push a little stronger than the Kubota though. So depends. Like this driveway was a little icy underneath, so it's been worse for this because it spins a little faster. But anyway, the Kubota probably would do the same. Other than that, it's been pretty good. Although I do notice this thing makes a little bit of weird jerky movements. Like when you try to lift the bucket, sometimes it'll do weird things, like where it'll lower it for a second then go up, or you try to dump and it'll like close it for a second. Like it does weird jerky things, but not a fan of that. Other than that, it's a pretty smooth machine to operate for the most part. It doesn't do that all the time, it's just like an odd time. I don't know, when it's like under a lot of strain, it does like some weird things. But anyway, let's hop back in and see if we can go ahead and push this big pile here. Let's do it. Give us full throttle. Holy. Wow, that was kind of impressive. Woo. The snow's piling up in here. right, got a little toboggan hill done there too. All right, so now I've been going through my forest here. I'm not even going all the way to the bottom, and I just start going. Like it instantly. Very impressed with this thing pushing the snow though. My cab's full. But still, like, look at that snow. That is so crazy. Trying to get up this hill now is going to be a challenge. Feel the track slipping, but let's just try and keep going steady. Gonna try and slowly inch my way up. Whoop. Come on, baby, keep it going. All right, we made it up the hill. Holy smokes. That was tough. There's so much snow. Look at that. The cab got full of snow. That's crazy how much snow we got in here. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna put this away for today, and tomorrow we'll deal with cleaning all this. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Again, this thing's an absolute tank. Very impressed with how much snow this thing can push, considering it's even a smaller than normal size track skid steer. Like, it doesn't have as long of a track base, which in this case might even help it. Less area to spread and spin, but I don't know. It's a pretty nice machine. It handled this huge 8-foot massive bucket full of snow with, as you guys saw, heaps and heaps of snow in front of it, to the point where it's coming into the cab and everywhere, and it just kept pushing, especially if you got traction. Like in the forest there where the ground wasn't frozen underneath, you can feel the machine was grabbing and it would just push. So very impressed with that. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed watching that, remember to subscribe, stay tuned, give us a like, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care, everybody.